We have two things, okay? First, we have the game. First, we have the game, okay? Also, folk was in the beginning of the match, and we are outside. We are not in the games, okay? And they win all the ball. We don't have the second ball, and we can play. You know, when we fight, they are all the time the first on the ball. It's impossible, and we give many opportunities to this, many opportunities to also folk to play. Okay, and okay, we miss some player was not in the team. We are the young player, but we have to do. Also folk is a good team, and it's like that. Second target, we saw during this game how is the level of our player. We begin with some players. They don't play any games in the league. They don't play in Accra Stadium, and they have to get some experience. Okay, don't think we are the best team, but I think the story of the game is the second goal. It was the second. It was extra time, and we don't have to get this second goal. 1-0 at half time. It will be different in the second half. But 2-0, after it's 3-0, 2-1, and you have to go, and you can score in second half, okay. But also we give more space. Even we change a little our organization. But when you are not in the game, okay, it's impossible, okay. And congratulations to also folks, they deserve, and they make the job. And we are not in the match. We are outside. We have many reasons. We are tired. We are young. Okay, but when you play against also folk, we have to grow up our level. It's like that. Okay. Now it's not dramatic. Our players, they have to learn. They have to learn. And the next match will be another things. Okay. And you know, to play on the grass pitch like here and to play in Wafa is very different, and they have to learn. Okay, that the story was not in our side because we didn't the right thing during this game, and the second half was better, but we have to score one goal, and when you score one goal, it's different. Okay.
Okay, coach. What would you say about officiating? Refereeing.
Ah, you know, me like Wafa, we are not here to discuss about the referee. And me, I don't want to talk. The referee is, we have 11, we have substitute, and we have 4 referees, and we have to do with them. When you are strong, when you do the right thing on the pitch, referee is another things. Okay, I don't want to talk about referees. Referees, they have their job. They make their job. We play away. We know when we play away everywhere. We play in Champions League. We play in the CAF. You play also folk. You have to know. And this is experience. And our players, they have to learn of that. Okay. If each time we have to talk about the referee, free kick like that. If you have a lot of free kick, also you are later every time on the ball. Okay. And that no excuse. We don't have to talk about excuse about referee. Okay. Only if you have a penalty or like that. But we make mistakes and mistakes and behind. Also, folks, they kill us. It's like that because they have a good player, they are strong, and if you are not strong together, what we can do against also folk? Okay. Thank you.
Your assessment of the game.
Good game, and also folk, I have to give credit to them because they deserve the win and they play well. And I must say, in our team, there is a lot of young players there, and we have to focus on our next game, which is important for us.
You were chasing the referee at the end of the game. What happened?
Well, I might say it was a stamp. At least just give a card. He was not able to give a card. So I was complaining that, it is not fair. If there is someone, you have to give him card so that you have to warn him. Next time, he will not do that.
Okay, questions?
Well, I must say he was trying to tell us that maybe we should play according to the tactics by giving to him, and we have to focus on them. We have to concentrate, and it's a game. So I must say it's part of game.
And we are not compact. We try sometimes. When you have we respect the discipline of the organization, we win the ball and we try to do something, and we can do. But when we don't have the ball, we have to run, and also folks they are more strong, and you can run every time. Okay. Instruction, you know. The instruction, they follow the instruction, but when you are tired, you don't win, you fight 1 against 1. When the ball is high, also folks they are here, they take the ball. The second ball, we are not in the second ball. What you can do? You know, we are not in the game in the first half. Second half, we push. We are in their offensive zone, and we try to score. But you know, when you are like that, 2-0, you have to go, and you give some space to the other team. I told you, the story. You have a story of the game. The story is 1-0 at the halftime. We don't have to get during these 2 minutes. Okay, you don't have to get a second goal during these 2 minutes. Okay, after 2-0 is halftime, it's difficult because you have to go. Maybe it's 3-0 and or 2-1. But if you score 1 goal, it's different, and the player will have a good aim. Okay, it's not a problem instruction or not instruction. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.